Welcome! In front of me I have AGPTek LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartwatch with the iPhone. First, you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button for a couple of seconds. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the FitCloudPro application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and the Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. Where is the App Store? Right here. In the App Store, tap on the search icon. Tap on search bar, type in FitCloud Pro and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, FitCloudPro. Tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install it, and let's wait until the application is done installing. After the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. As you can see, we have the pop-up about the permission. This is for the Bluetooth. This one is required, so tap on OK. And now you should see the login page. And we have another pop-up about the tracking. If you want to allow the app to track your apps and websites, and you can tap on allow. I'm just gonna tap on ask not to allow, not to track basically. Okay, now we have the login page, and here we can create a new account, login, or use the app as a guest. If you want to have or retain the data about your exercises and stuff like that, it's recommended to make an account. If you don't care, you can simply use the guest account. So that's what I'm gonna do. But if you want to have keep your data about your training and stuff like that, you need to make an account basically. So I'm gonna tap on visit as guest right here, set up the profile. Like this. And once you're done, you can tap on next step. Here you can set the goals for your steps. You can swipe up and down and then tap on complete. And once you're done with the profile and goals, you will see this page. And basically we can pair the device with our iPhone. So make sure your watch is turned on. Once it is, tap on search now. The app will start looking for the nearby devices. As you can see, it detected our watch LW11. Tap on it to select it. Tap on pair. You can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And once you're done with the pop-ups, you should see the enjoy now button. Tap on it. And this will bring you to the device page, and on the device page you will see that the LW11 is here and it says connected, which means that the watch is paired with your iPhone. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.